Oh, cool. I have mood music for this sword. Alright, so I bought another new sword. Oh my god. And all that shit. So I already kind of started. Alright, that's a little loud. That's a little loud. Thank you, China. Okay. So this Chinese sword is, all that shit. Oh, you bastard. Oh, God. I already had a knife over there. So this one's from Cult of Athena, so I got brown paper. That's good. Yep, that's just the that. Yet again, it's another box inside a box. Inside this box. That's pretty too. Cool. So this is the box for this one. It's a little different. It's quite a bit different. It's got a leather handle. It's good. So I figured I have Japanese style swords and I have European style swords. What am I missing? Chinese style sword. Oh, okay. A little cleaning kit box lid broke a little bit. That's fine. Alright. This is the Iron Tiger Forge liuyedao, or Willow Leaf Dao. Oh yeah. It's kind of dusty and also greasy from the grease that they put on the blade to keep it from rusting. It's yeah. It smells like China. Well, this one doesn't have a condom on it, but it's greasy. What happened to those napkins? I forgot what the hell I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to wrap it around my maybe. Alright, let's get a close up of the blade. Let me move the camera a touch. Oh god. Holy shit. So this is 1045 and 1065 that have been folded together. I think the the mood music might be a little much. There's definitely some interesting patterns on this blade. See the false upper edge there? So this is like the 4th video ever on this sword. So cool, now I have a Chinese sword that's all fucked up with tassels. Yeah, that's pretty good retention on the... It's not perfect, but hey. Look at the handle. Oh God. It's a threaded nut construction, which, you know, is historically accurate. So I think this is like an authentic Chinese sword because it's from China and everything. A full look at it. Cool. Yeah, good. Let's rewrite the blade one more time. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Cool, so I'll cut some bottles with it in a minute. Okay, bye.